Close to 29,000 Australian men are diagnosed with prostate cancer each year, accounting for roughly 30% of all male cancer diagnosis. That averages out to about 79 men diagnosed every single day. And each year, around 2,530 Australian men die by suicide. To put that into perspective, suicide claims more Australian men each year than road accidents and skin cancer combined. Those are confronting numbers, and that's exactly why events like this matter. Today was a very special day, not just for me, but for motorcycle enthusiasts all around the world, because today was the annual Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, a special event held every year across the globe. Since its inception, this global movement has raised more than $70 million, and in 2026, the event celebrated its 15th anniversary, bringing together over 120,000 riders across 1,070 cities in 109 countries, raising more than $7.2 million in a single day. What's even more impressive is that 100% of the funds raised are invested directly into prostate cancer research, men's mental health initiatives, and suicide prevention programs. Now, I thought I was attending a motorcycle event. What I didn't expect was to be reminded why I fell in love with riding motorcycles in the first place. Now, you're probably wondering what makes this event so different from the other fundraisers out there. Well, men and women from all over the globe dress up in their finest gentlemen's and ladies' attire, and pair with it classic, vintage, custom, or cafe racer style motorcycles to create one of the most unique motorcycle events you'll ever see. Now, thanks to Motomax, who invited me along to this special day, I was fortunate enough to borrow one of their beautiful Royal Enfield Classic 650s. And if you're a regular on the channel, you'll probably remember me reviewing this bike. So naturally, I was excited to be a part of the event. After having a chat and meeting a great bunch of enthusiasts like myself, my wife and I got dressed in our best outfits and set out from the dealership to the starting point at Elizabeth Quay here in Perth, Western Australia. And I can honestly say it was one of the coolest experiences I've had on two wheels. The sound of the motorcycles echoing through the city streets, riders arriving from every direction, people stopping to take photos, kids pointing at the bikes and waving, it felt like something truly special before the ride had even begun. As we arrived, I had honestly no idea how big this event really was. Everywhere I looked, there were motorcycles, vintage machines, beautiful cafe races, custom-built creations, bikes with personality and purpose. You can tell these weren't just motorcycles to their owners. They were passion projects built with care, pride, and countless hours of dedication. Right here in Perth, over 600 riders had turned up to support the cause, ranging from 17-year-old first-time participants all the way through to riders in their 80s. And together, Perth alone raised more than $100,000 that day. We even had two skydivers parachute into the event, attempting to land directly onto jet skis. And FYI, only one of them stuck the landing. Now, after some pre-ride speeches, introductions, and safety briefings, everyone fired up their motorcycles and prepared to set off. And honestly, this was one of my favourite moments in the entire day. As we rolled away from Elizabeth Quay, the crowd erupted. People were filming, waving, cheering. The smell of fuel hung in the air as hundreds of motorcycles pulled away together. And for a few minutes, we honestly felt like rock stars. I've never experienced anything quite like it. Everyone was excited. Everyone was smiling, and you could feel the energy in the air. Now, as we continued towards our destination, I got to relive just how enjoyable the Royal Enfield Classic really is. My wife and I felt completely immersed in the experience. We were dressed to impress, alongside nearly 600 other riders cruising through the countryside under perfect weather. It honestly put the biggest smile on my face. Now, originally I wasn't planning on doing a voiceover for this video. I was simply going to let the footage speak for itself. But after experiencing the day firsthand, I wanted to share just how impactful it really was. Not just for us, but for everyone involved. The culture was vibrant. Everywhere you looked, there were smiles, conversations, laughter, and complete strangers bonding over a shared passion. It reminded me of what riding motorcycles is really supposed to be about. Not horsepower, not lap times, not brand loyalty, just people coming together for something bigger than themselves, especially when it comes to men's health and supporting those who may be doing it tough. Along the way, we stopped briefly to regroup, stretch our legs, and take a closer look at some of the motorcycles we had missed earlier. But we didn't stay long. Everyone was eager to get back on the road and to continue with the ride. And I have to say, throughout the entire event, everyone was incredibly respectful, well behaved, and simply there to enjoy the experience for the right reasons. Eventually, we arrived at our final destination at the Sandalford Winery. Tegan and I sat down for lunch, enjoyed a well-earned beer, and listened to the final speeches as the event came to a close. And somehow I even managed to win a raffle prize, so that was a lovely bonus. And all in all, we had an amazing day. And once again, I want to give a huge thank you to Motomax for inviting us along to make this experience possible. I can honestly say I'll be attending next year's Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, and hopefully everyone after that for the rest of my riding days. If there's a Distinguished Gentleman's Ride happening near you next year, I strongly encourage you to get involved. Not only will you have an unforgettable day surrounded by incredible people and motorcycles, you'll also be helping make a real difference in men's health, in prostate cancer research, and in suicide prevention. And in my honest opinion, that was the greatest reward of all. Thank you guys for coming along for the ride with me today. And as always, God bless.